Welcome everybody, my name is Aula El Hosseini. In this tutorial, I am going to explain the best practice when you use the VLOOKUP function. In this tutorial, I have sheet. This sheet contains the sales transaction for my product, and I want when I select or enter the product, automatically its price will be displayed. So I am using VLOOKUP function. Okay, and I have another sheet. This sheet contains the product data, and each row contains the all information about each product. Okay, as I explained in the previous VLOOKUP function videos, the VLOOKUP function contains from four arguments: lookup, value, table array, column index, num, range lookup. This tutorial is talking about the lookup value. Okay, when we use the VLOOKUP function, we use a specific value or look value to return another or retrieve another value. In this example, I use the product name to retrieve the price value. Okay, and the lookup value, okay, is located in a table, array, or range. Okay, be sure the lookup value to be located at the first column of your table array, like this example. Okay, this is the first step or first trick. Okay, and lookup function, okay, the last argument is called range lookup. This argument has two options, false or true. The default choice is true. Okay, so if you use true with your VLOOKUP function, you have to sort your data alphabetically, and the sort must be ascending from smallest to largest. Okay, like this. Okay, if you don't sort your data, the return value will be incorrect in sometimes. Okay, so the best practice when you use the VLOOKUP function, the lookup value must be the first column in your table array, and if you use true with your VLOOKUP function, the lookup value column must be sorted ascending A to Z. That's it. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.